morning, it's auction day.
That road bidder is great.
Are you recording, my lady?
No.
Good. You're the director?
Yes, I'm firing you from filming because you're either focused on my double chin or you're focused on my boobs.
Man's gotta have focus.
So you're fired.
We're out here in Arizona.
We're in Arizona.
You can tell by the
Corn.
corn.
Our auctioneer today is Randy Warren, and he's a very good auctioneer. He doesn't do a lot of auctions around us, but he's one of my favorites. He does a good job. Good pace. And
The cadence.
good cadence. Interesting. Fun.
No rain.
No humidity.
Overcast, so it shouldn't be too bad.
I brought my straw hat out of retirement because it didn't look like there'd be much shade at this one. It's a good hat.
Yeah,
It's just ugly and beat up.
yeah. You look like an extra from Hee Haw.
I found a cookbook yesterday, a vintage cookbook, and it's got recipes for possum and raccoon,
Woodchuck.
woodchuck, woodchuck, peaches gum.
I'm looking for crock pots.
It stopped being funny like a month and a half ago.
No, I really am looking for crock pots.
Yeah, I know.
I need a bigger crock pot.
Holy schmackles.
Shut up.
Sounding a real fantasy. Keeper.
Shut up. I'm not taking your crap.
What happened?
Mom couldn't hop over that.
I went underneath. You guys went over. I had to go underneath.
No shame in that. Oh, sure, I'm on the wrong side. As usual.
We did the other day at work. We did the other day at work.
That's usually texted.
Oh my. What size are those hats? I need a new one.
Exactly. What are you supposed to hang on to them all day long in your hand?
Stick it on your forehead.
Yeah. Trust me.
Well, there's one thing I'd like.
Fire hydrant.
those lights, Mark, behind you.
Yeah, I saw you. Do you need to go over and tell them?
How are you, Daddy?
Do you need to go over and tell them?
Good. Yeah, you get yourself numbers and chairs and whatever you need.
What are you doing? There you go, Charlie. Top load VCR.
I thought you were pointing at the treadmill. I was gonna say I'm way too wide for that.
Can you pick up the VCR?
Dang.
We might need that.
Never hit eject.
I don't think it'll, without power, I don't think it'll eject. The porta potty of the week is Tri-State Porta Potty Inc. Come potty with us. You can reach them at 1-855-WE-POTTY or find them online at tristateportapotty.com.
I didn't realize the DNR was that heavily regulated in concrete.
Oh yeah.
Water retention and all that. Yeah.
Dust, everything. But Bart does something, they do it all right, so. Pretty good.
Lots of pros here today. Tough competition.
All right, folks, I want to thank everybody for coming out today. We're going to be using the number system. If you have not got a number, you can get the number inside the building. I'm on there, now I'm on a bit 250. Hey, but give me $1 and go. Hey, I'm on a bit $1 bill. Now I'm cheating. Now I'm on a bit 2. Hey, get 2. I'm on there, I'm on a bit 2. I'm on a bit $2 bill. I'm on there, I'm on a bit 2. Sold him your way $1. You bet. Take a look at it here. Nice old antique wrench here. She's an IH wrench, gentlemen. Nice old IH wrench there. Take a look at it there. Give me $5 on it. Hey, but a bit fine, $5 now $7.50. Hey, but a bit fine, $5 there. Do you want a bit there? Now a bit 7.5 where? Hey, $5 now, but a bit got it now 10. Now a bit 10. Now 12.5. Do you want a bit there? Now a bit 12.50. Hey, but a bit 10 here. Now a bit 12.5. Anybody? Sold it your way, Dave. 12.50. Put them on buyer 81. Buyer 81.
Oh yeah.
7:30.
Sure.
Be $1 on them. $1 a piece. Got her. 2. Hey, bit of a 2. Do you want them there? Now, bit of a $2 bill. Now, bit of a 2. 3. Hey, bit of a 3. Now, 4. How about a bit 4? 5. How about a bit 5? Do you want them there? 5. I got 4 bid here. Do you want them there? Now, bit a bit $5 bill. Anybody now, bit a bit 5? Sold right here. $4 on 17.
That's a nice item. I'd like to bid on that one.
No.
4 left.
Everything that's there. There's 3 in the box. I think that little one's a rigid, and otherwise you're buying all to go. Give me 5 on all of them. 5. Got her now. $7.50. Hey, bit of a $5 bill. Do you want them there? Now, bit of a 7.5. Anybody now? Bit of a 5. $7.50. Doug, you want some of this? Now, bit of a 7.5. Got it at 10. Hey, bit of a 10. You want them there? Bit of a 10. 10. Bit of a 10. 7.5. Bit of a $10. Sold them right here. $7.50. Put them on 39.
I'm willing to pay a little bit more for that one. It seems like a good item.
Too bad.
Good news is I was able to replace my old Lucky Straw hat. I'm pretty happy about that because that thing was rough. There was just enough resellers there to make it hard to get good stuff, including this guy that I know from Florida. His name's Paul. Hell of a good guy. But he's like way out of my league. And he comes up from Florida. He has a shop in Florida, plus he does flea markets. So he comes up here and just buys stuff in bulk. He fills a truck and trailer. I don't hate the guy. He's, you know, that's what I want to do. There wasn't much household stuff, so we eked out a few things. We had fun. It's a beautiful day to be outside. We now are at our favorite thrift store. Marcy and Charlie went inside. I'm a little weak-kneed from standing at the auction all morning, so I decided to stay out in the truck and record and talk to my good friends. How'd you do, Mars? What'd you find?
I got outbid on a lot of stuff.
Me too.
It was pretty disheartening because we were there for a long time and it was kind of hot, but I ended up getting this. It was the display model. Is that what they call it? Yeah, the display model. But I had to pay $15 for it, which I was not happy about. But I did, so.
But it's worth more, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna wait a couple months before I list it though.
Don't we always? So we got that Mr. Christmas. Found this Coleman heater. I have no idea what it's worth, but it cost me $1 to buy it. I was kind of surprised because they had a bunch of Coleman lanterns that people were paying up for. Oh, let's see. Oh, Marcy's party in a box.
This was $1.
Totes worth that.
It is. Yeah, so these are vintage noisemakers.
You're kind of a vintage noisemaker, aren't
Yeah,
you?
I am. So where was the...
There's the mustache thing.
I didn't even see that in there.
It's very fragile.
It is.
But
it's cute.
Cool looking.
But yeah, the whole tote is just full of them.
Nice. So I got my new hat, and there was another hat somewhere. I don't know.
It's in here.
It is in there?
Yeah, Charlie said he stuck it in the
Nope. I got this picnic basket and my hat, and it's not in here. And another hat. The basket's a little rough, but the other hat's Land's End. This one is Bass Pro. We got this vintage Ward's Signature 30 cup coffee maker. Original box. All the original parts in, yes, mid-century green. It's got the cord and everything. This is a filterless one, isn't it? And then I got a box, well, it was 2 boxes of electronics. These Iowa speakers, which I don't know, I don't think they're brand new. I think they retaped them up. And those came with this box with the digital converter box for antennas, which I don't think sell much anymore. But I got a Magnavox DVD player with remote.
Yeah, I think I asked you if you got that. I forgot about it.
And another remote that's an RCA that I'll test, and I bet you that's sellable too. But that was $1. Nobody wanted that. How much was the coffee maker? $5. We paid $5.
I thought you said 4.
I think I ended up paying $5.
Just trying to bend against you.
Yeah. Well, here I can look. The hats in the basket, $1. The DVD player and speakers, $1. The Coleman heater was $1. The coffee pot, $5. Holy moly.
I'm just hungry.
The New Year's toys, $3.
Oh, they were $3. I thought they were only $1.
That's all right. I still love you. And then this was our most expensive buy, the Mickey Mr. Christmas for $15. We stopped at the thrift store. Marcy got a whole box of stuff. I don't know if she wants to show it or not.
I got dishware down in there. I don't feel like digging them out. But I have vintage dishware.
You may have to wait for another video if you want to see that. I'm sorry. She's kind of a diva. So, fortunately, we don't have to carry a lot in or find a spot for stuff.
That's the best part about not getting a lot of stuff for the auction.
Thanks for stopping by. That's it. I got a recipe for that.
Speaking of raccoons,
We're not going anywhere in particular. The porta potty of the week is Tri-State Porta Party. She's bougie now, but I still like her. That looks pretty good. I'll give a few bucks for that. Nope. Why has it got a false bottom so you can put your drugs in there?
It's for pennies. And so.
Oh. Man, I'd like to bid on that. Nope. Yeehaw!
There's a bullet hole at the top. I don't know what happened to the last owner.
look at Nate. There's the goats.